Hello and welcome back to our channel. ROAMLESS eSIM and how it works and what are the reviews over the internet about it. Is it reliable or not? In this video, I'm gonna cover all that stuff. So if you want to buy the ROAMLESS eSIM over the internet, you guys can visit their website. The link will be in the description below. So what is ROAMLESS eSIM? So ROAMLESS eSIM has gained attention as a reliable and flexible option for travelers. Here's a brief review. And based on recent feedback, I will be able to tell you some of the pros, the cons, and the verdict of my own about it. So the pros are pay-as-you-go flexibility. This is an option in it. So Romulus offers a wallet-based system where you can top up funds and use them for data or calls in over 180 plus destinations. No expiration. The balance in your Romulus wallet will never expire, providing unlimited flexibilities. So it's a very reliable and a practical usage because your balance wouldn't run out and wouldn't expire. So if you are investing in the ROAMless, your balance is gonna stay here as long as you want. The next thing is high reliability. Users have reported consistent and reliable connectivity even in remote areas. Unlimited hotspot. You can use your mobile hotspot as a hotspot without any speed limits. In-app voice calls, ROAMless allows international calls to over 200 plus destination through the application itself. So this is one of the great features. So let's talk about the cons. So it requires an internet connection for the initial setups. Most functionalities are dependent on the ROMless app and the customer support service. Some users have reported issues with the customer support, practically with the refund. And now I'm going to just go with the overall verdict. So ROMless eSIM is a great option for the travelers looking for flexibility and reliability options. It pays as you go model and no expiration policy makes it standout choice in the market of the eSIM. So this is pretty much it. I will really suggest you guys to get roamless eSIM if you are traveling to a travel destination. Take care. Bye bye.